Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So as you all know that tomorrow is the expiry day and today market trades around in a round level which is round level 40,000. So if tomorrow market closes below 40,000 or if it shows any kind of negative movement by opening flat or opening up down, then you can expect some selling pressure here. And target will be around 39,500, and for taking any kind of buying trade it needs to close above 40,500. Then after that we're going to expect any kind of buying pressure from there. But you can clearly see there that from the last 5 days it shows continuously negative movement. So if it opens gap up and if it opens flat and try to close above 40,500, and after that if it shows any kind of positive movement, then you can expect some buying pressure here also. Now let's look into 15-minute candle. In 15-minute candle you can clearly see here that it continuously goes negative to sideways movement, but today it shows some kind of large negative movement here, and it did not show any kind of positive movement at the end. So if tomorrow market opens in between 40,100 to 39,900 and shows any kind of negative movement, or if it trades below 39,950, then as I said, our target will be 39,500. And for taking any kind of buying trade, first of all it needs to close above round level 40,000, but it needs to close above 40,200 for taking any kind of buying trade. So my suggestion would be, if it opens gap up and if it trades above 40,200 or 300, then after that we will going to take trade for any kind of buying trade, and target we can set to round level 40,600. And that's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in 1-day candle chart. So in Nifty it also breaks that 17,800 level, and right now it trades around 17,550. So if tomorrow market breaks that round level which is 17,500 and shows negative movement after that, then we will going to expect a target until 17,400 to 17,350. But if it opens gap up and if it trades above 7,600 or 650, and after that it shows any kind of positive movement, then you can expect some buying trade here also. Now let's look into 15-minute candle for taking any kind of trade. So in 15-minute candle you can clearly see here that from the last 4 to 5 days it continuously shows negative movement here. Today it also shows negative movement here, and if tomorrow let's assume that it trades in a range which is 70,600 to 7,500 and it breaks or trades below 7,500 and shows negative movement, then we will going to take trade for selling, and target will be around 7,400 as I said. And for taking any kind of buying trade it needs to close above 7,650, because from that zone it continuously took resistance and shows negative movement here, so it needs to close above that for taking any kind of selling trade. And one thing you can clearly notice here that from the last 5 days it shows negative movement here. So if tomorrow market opens gap up, then it may be show some positive movement by taking pullback, or maybe that profit booking happening on that higher side. And that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. Now let's look into Bank Nifty components, because if you wanted to take any kind of trade on Bank Nifty options, you need to look into Bank Nifty components, because they are providing that throttle or movement to Bank Nifty. So if among the 6 Bank Nifty components, if 3 or 4 goes one-sided and shows positive movement or negative movement, then you can expect some buying or selling pressure in Bank Nifty. So in HDFC Bank you can clearly see here that it continuously trades in that 1640 level, and today it breaks that, so it maybe goes down until 1600 level. So if tomorrow market trades below 1612, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around level 1600. In ICICI Bank it also break that 850 level, and right now it trades around 840. Then it may be go down if it trades below 835, and target we can set to 825 to round level 820. Now let's look into SBI Bank. In SBI Bank you can clearly see here that from the last 6 to 7 days it continuously shows negative movement here, and it also breaks that round level which is 520. So it may be continuously goes down, and target we can set to round level 500 in the next 1 or 2 days. Now let's look into Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank, when it breaks that 1700 level, and right now it trades around that 1700 round level. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market closes below round level 1700 and shows negative movement after that, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 1680 to round level 1670. Now let's look into Axis Bank. In Axis Bank, it breaks that lower level, which is 840, and trades around that 833 level. So if tomorrow market trades below 832 or 30, then after that you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 840. Now let's look into our last bank, which is IndusInd Bank. In IndusInd Bank, you can clearly see here that today market made low around level 1080, and previously also I told you that it may be made low around that 1080, and from the last 8 days it shows some continuously negative movement here. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market shows any kind of positive movement from here, then you can expect some buying trade here, and if it trades above 1100 level, then it may be shows target around 1120. But if tomorrow it trades below 10,990, then after that you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be 1080 to 1060. And that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel, and let's meet on another video.